back sa Lutong Pinoy sa America. So today we're going to be cooking some pork adobo. So here are all the ingredients, and here we have some pork belly and pork butt. We have some garlic, black ground pepper, we have some bay leaves, vinegar, soy sauce, and water. So remember to check the description box for the exact measurement. And now let's put everything together. Now let's put everything in the pot. So first we're going to add our pork butt and pork belly. And now we're only going to have half of the garlic, because the other half we're going to use it for sauté later. Put the ground black pepper. Soy sauce, vinegar, finally the water. Mix it up with your hand. Make sure you mix it up well. Now we're gonna simmer it, and we're not allowed to mix it until it's boiling. Okay, now we're gonna open it up. It's already boiling now, so we're gonna mix it up. Mix it up well. Now we're going to cover it again, wait for it to get tender before we can saute it. Alright, so the meat is already tender. So now we're going to start separating the meat from the sauce, and then we're going to start sauteing. Okay, so we got a new pot, and now we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. And then we're going to add the meat. We're going to start adding the meat and then frying it. Okay, so now we're going to start flipping them over to let the other side cook. Okay, now that the meat has turned brown, I'm going to mix it up. Then we're going to add the garlic, the rest of the garlic. Mix it up. Okay. Now we're going to add the onion. And then mix it up more. Okay. So now we're going to add the sauce back in. And then stir it up. And then we're going to add the boiled eggs. And then mix it up well. Simmer for about 3 minutes. Alright, in 3 minutes, we're going to stir it up. It's ready to serve. It's done. It's almost done. Alright. So it's finished now. Now we're going to serve it. hope you enjoyed this tutorial on adobo. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know what we should cook next in the comments down below. And we'll see you guys later. So there it is.